The Farmer and His Sons. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who had several sons. He worked hard every day to provide for his family and tend to his farm. One day, the farmer fell ill and realized that he might not be around forever to take care of his farm and his family. So he called his sons to him and said, "My dear sons, I'm getting old and weak. I won't be around forever to take care of the farm. It is time for you to learn how to take care of the farm so that you can continue our family's legacy." The sons were confused and didn't know what their father meant. The farmer took them to the fields and showed them a bundle of sticks. He said, "My sons, this bundle of sticks represents our family. Just like these sticks, we are stronger when we are together. But if we are divided, we will be weak and easily broken." The farmer then asked each of his sons to try to break the bundle of sticks. But no matter how hard they tried, they couldn't break it. The farmer then untied the bundle and gave each of his sons a stick. He asked them to break the sticks, and each of them easily broke their stick. The farmer then said, "Just like these sticks, if you work together, you will be strong and can accomplish anything. But if you are divided, you will be weak and easily defeated." The sons realized the importance of working together and promised to work together to take care of the farm and their families. From that day on, they worked together and the farm prospered. Moral: teamwork and unity can accomplish great things, while division and disunity can lead to failure. Thank you for watching. See you next time.